What up, y'all? We back with another video today. My sister made a volcano. Look, y'all. And she's about to do a practice test at first so she can know it worked. And it took her like 3 to 2 days, 4 days to do this. And I want y'all to go like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. It help us very, very much. And I want y'all to, here's a shout out to my sister YouTube channel, Crazy Diamond, I think, or something like that. Yeah, Crazy Diamond. So, here we go.
I'm doing a practice round.
She's doing a practice round?
And I gotta get the footwear ready.
Yeah.
I keep telling you there ain't no practice round.
No, she's doing it with a water bottle.
Water bottle.
Yeah, it might take a while, y'all.
Oh, I'm so excited.
Yeah, this definitely goes on YouTube.
I'm doing practice round right now. This is season work.
Okay, go.
Yeah.
So this is a practice round, y'all.
Your project.
She's doing school work. I just wanted to post this for her.
Oh!
That's fine.
Dang, y'all saw what just happened, right? As you see, I could zoom.
I need a tablespoon.
Look at her.
Okay.
This is a project. Look at her volcano. River. Grass. There's a lot of grass. Okay. Y'all see what she doing? Yeah. Shout out to Crazy Diamond.
Go get it.
The next thing was baking soda.
All right.
Just one spoon, mommy, or two?
Like, subscribe, and comment below.
Give me the spoon.
Oh.
Talk to them. Give me the spoon. Mom, no, he's just trying to make a freaking video.
You're gonna be a genie.
One of the things.
Yeah, a ton of things. What is it fun of?
Oh, go get paper then.
You got paper right now.
She's spilling a lot of baking soda.
Mom, I'm not doing it. Okay, son.
Nets.
I thought we had a fun of.
And then,
We used to. What else you need, Kay?
this is the end of it.
You put this up already?
Yeah.
She did. All right, y'all.
1/4.
So, y'all gonna see this, and then y'all gonna see the real one right there. Want y'all to go look up her channel at Crazy Diamond. Like, subscribe, comment below if it does work. And I'm gonna put the, if y'all wanna do this, comment below if you wanna do it. I'm gonna put the ingredients and stuff that you need for it, cause this is not all you need right here. So, if y'all wanna do this, make a need.
Here, a movie doesn't work.
5, 4, 3, 2,
Yeah!
1.
Yes! It worked. Now I can do it with my real volcano.
And comment below, was that weak or not? That was weak, bro.
Now I have
Yeah, you gotta get a funnel, okay? So it actually, all of the stuff go in correctly.
I thought it was supposed to go.
Yeah, it is.
My lob.
most of the stuff I came off.
Mama said it was gonna go in the air, but it didn't.
Where did I get?
All right, do yours, KK.
Hold on, I gotta get paper spoon or something.
Go look at Crazy Diamond. KK, come on.
We're trying to get paper.
Crazy Diamond, y'all.
I am crazy.
So look, we're gonna do more stuff and more stuff and more stuff. I might get a helmet and be having this on my bike. This ain't my bike. That's my bike. My bike broke. All right, y'all. That's the end of the video. We gonna show you all the stuff. We gonna put it in the video. I want y'all like, comment below, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and go look at Crazy Diamond YouTube page. My sisters, go look at her YouTube page. All right, see y'all.